collections and stunning colors kuda. So you can see all the colors. Bottom 20 colors unnai. Very pretty and bright. So I'll be showing you one by one, Andi. So this is the yellow color, lemon yellow combination. Very beautiful color. Mottam kuda silver zarita vastundi. Even the border is with silver weave. And ee saree prices anni kuda ee roju request andi. So please do comment your favorite color in the comment section. The prices are on request. This is sea green with pink color border, hot pink, and dual border ustundandi. One is with plain khadi and the other is silver designer. And saree mottam kuda tiny motifs vastundi, the golden zari motifs. Here's the pallu, pink color, hot pink with complete golden weave. This is pink color. Same border design vastundandi blouse lo kuda. You can stitch it half the elbows, and sarees anni kuda below 20,000 range lo unnai. One of the prettiest collections manaki bridal wear ga kuda vastunnai. Beautiful sarees. And you can see the light yellow color with red and green combination border. So two different colors. Border వచ్చేసి మనకి bright color వస్తుందండి. Such a beautiful color, and designs కూడా అంతే చక్కగా ఉంది border లో. So here's the pallu with attractive designs and combination. Very beautiful one. So here's the blouse with a bigger border. Two colors vastundandi, green and red, and the golden color with felt design. And the saree prices are on request. These are the pure Kanchipattu sarees, the bridal collections. This is one of my favorite combination, green with red. Green color saree mottam kuda manaki golden booties vastunnayandi, chakkati designs, and even the border with golden zari konjam pedda border vastundandi, 6-inch border. Rendu kuda manchi color combinations. So here's the pallu with golden zari, and this is the blouse with a bigger border, red color andi, ravishing red, green with red, very beautiful combo. The saree prices are on request today. Please comment down your favorite color in the comment section. This is orange with pink, two bright colors. Saree mottam kuda manaki silver zari booties vastunnayandi, and border with silver zari and the plain khadi border, dual border vastundi. Such a elegant combination. This is the pallu, magenta pink, dark pink with golden zari designs. And here's the blouse with a very thin border. Manam half sleeves petkochu, and we can even go with such a designs. The saree prices are on request today. These are the pure Kanchipattu sarees only, the bridal collections. This is grey with pink. The body of the saree which is a light color, and the bottom is pretty dark. And you can see there's such a beautiful design around the border row. The bigger peacock designs, very attractive. This is the pallu, pink color with golden leaf. Rendu kuda bright colors andi, which gives you a very rich look. And this is the blouse with a bigger border. Elbow saka stitch cheskuni, we can go with the maggam works, which gives you a trendy look. This is metallic dark green with olive green combination. Saree mottam kuda chudochu, floral designs with green color lining. Such a pretty designer, and two different size borders only, running on either sides. The golden color and the stunning pallu with bigger designs. And we are also shipping these sarees worldwide only, and you can order on the WhatsApp number. This is the blouse The saree prices are on request today. And this is another color, dark color violet with royal blue. Rendu kuda bright colors and rare combination kuda. And sarees with full of golden motifs andi, with a pretty designer border, hadi zari border. This is the pallu with rich look. Manam single ga kuda plan chesukochu. Full of pure zari designs. Here's the blouse, plain blouse with a thin border. Magam works kuda chesukochu. This is such a pleasant color, lavender with green and red, tri-color saree. Such a traditional look. Border lo meeku chudachandi, such a pretty peacock designs and the plain khadi border. 3 different colors in the saree, and this has an awesome finish. The bright orange with golden zari. It's a rich looking pallu. So here's the blouse. So blouse kuda chala chakkaga icharu. So the saree prices are on request. Almost any sarees kuda manaki below 20,000 vastundi. Today the collections. So this is dark violet with orange. So orange and red mixed shade la kanipistundi saree with a bigger border. Very beautiful combination. Saree color kuda bright and chala beautiful ga undi. It suits for everyone. And this is the pallu. Pallu with navy blue and golden weave. So here's the blouse, navy blue color with a bigger border. Trendy combination. Orange with navy blue only. So you can comment down your favorite color or saree in the comment section. Our team will reply you back. This is sea green with violet color. 2 different unique colors only, and sarees with full of golden zari designer and a pretty bigger border which gives you elegant look. So here's the pallu with attractive combination, dark blue with golden weave, and here's the blouse. The beautiful border andi, chakkati traditional border vastundi. Mana maggam works kuda chesukochu. This is light pink, peach pink combination, and the border is with light grey. Such a pretty designer, you can see. Color combination kuda different undi. Rendu kuda manchi pleasant colors undi. And this is the pallu. Pallu with golden zari. Grey color meeda golden zari work vachi chala manchiga kanipistundi. We can just flaunt it. And here's the blouse with tri-colors again. 3 colors chudochu. Green, pink and grey. Such a pretty combination. Saree color kuda bagundi. So the prices are on request. So here's the WhatsApp number. Please do take the screenshot. Ee number ki meer order cheyachandi. We are also shipping these beautiful collections worldwide. This is light golden yellow, very light color, and the golden color border, zari border, and saree muttam kuda floral patterns andi. Beautiful shade. And here's the pallu with classic combination, very different designer with light black color shade. And this is the blouse. So blouse with a bigger border. Saree color combination kuda chala chakkaga undandi, very new. So price is on request. So you can see the saree only, very lightweight sarees manki. We can carry it for a longer time. Lightweight pure kanchipattu sarees today. The light pink with dark pink combination. 2 classic colors. one of my favorite too. And saree మొత్తం కూడా beautiful floral patterns వస్తున్నాయి. This is the pallu with rich designer, so you can see it very clearly. And here's the blouse. So blouse with self design and beautiful border only. Such a light color. So this is a saree combination, and the saree prices are on request today. These are the pure Kanchipattu sarees. This is mustard yellow with purple combination. Saree muttam kuda golden zari booties vastundi, and a border with golden zari designer. Such a bright colors, rendu kuda bright colors. This is the pallu with ravishing color, golden color combination. So here's a blouse with a bigger border. Manchi bright colors and rendu kuda purple with orange, unique color. This is another pretty one which suits for everyone. This is Rani pink andi, Rani pink with purple color combination. Saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి గోల్డెన్ జరీ డిజైనర్ వస్తుంది, and the border with silver zari. Two different zaris అండి saree. And here's the pallu with silver zari designer completely running. And here's the blouse with the thin border. Such a beautiful combination, Rani pink with purple. The prices are on request today. Please do comment down your favorite color in the comment section. This is light pink with grey color, golden zari border, and the saree is full of golden zari motifs. Saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి golden zari తో design వస్తుందండి. Here's the pallu with same color combination and the pretty designer. And here's the grey color blouse with a bigger border. Such a awesome color andi, rendu kuda manaki manchi light colors, pink with grey. This is dark yellow with light pink color border. So the border is with copper zari, and saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి golden color motifs వస్తున్నాయి. Two different zaris in the saree. So here's the pallu with rich colors, bright pink with copper weave. So here's the blouse, the plain blouse with a bigger border. Beautiful combination. The prices are on request today. So this is bright pink with violet color border. Saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి సిల్వర్ జరీ బూటీస్ వస్తున్నాయండి, and the border with two different colors, violet and orange combo. Tri-color saree with a beautiful designer. And here's the pallu with pink and golden zari combination. So here's the blouse with two different colors, orange and violet. Beautiful combination. And the saree prices are on request. So this is the last one for today. Light lavender with magenta pink. Two different combo. The red color and border kuda manaki skirt border vastundi with golden zari border. Such a pretty color combination. So this is the pallu with violet and golden weave. So here's the blouse with a bigger border. Manam maggam works kuda chesukochu. These are the pretty bridal collections. Beautiful color, and the prices are on request. Hope you all love this color collections ani. And meer ganaka order cheyalanunte ee number ki order cheyochu, which is the WhatsApp number. Please do take the screenshot. And we're also shipping these stunning collections worldwide. And again, we'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, good night.